All right, so I don't mean to stir up shit and then walk away, but that's basically what I did. I'm sorry. All right, so these frames, these are aluminum. These are Planet Audio. They have a four hole. I'm going to give you specifics on each one, dimensions, spider landing, all that kind of stuff, terminals, and even part numbers. I probably will do one video per model. So just so that there's no confusion. So I want you guys to be able to order with confidence. Steel frames, all $1 each. The regular frames, this is what's known as a premium frame. The regular 4-spoke, which are over there. I have some of those. Those are regular price. They're only $45 each, and they come with terminals and a gasket. Okay, so those are regular priced. The 10s, the 4-spoke 10s, these are regular priced as is, just like you see it here. We're going to do for $15 each, shipped. Conus, okay? Let's see. The rest of these, all $5 each. The 8s, these 8s. So there's this is a 10. These 8s, $5 each. This is the regular 4-spoke. So it's got a little bit of crust on it, but if you can either water blast it with media, which is what I recommend. I wanted to get into wet blasting anyway. So does your mom. But what is it? These are the Volcano ones, the Volcano 12s. These are good. In fact, I got some spacers made up for them that fit right on here. They use an 8-inch spider, but we have a 1-inch ABS spacer to kind of space it up a little bit. The thing that's, I don't want to say bad about these, but is different is the hole pattern. So it doesn't fit a typical bolt pattern, but if you're going to get motors made up or, you know, put something together, this is a really great frame to work with. So these are the 10s, $5 each, $5 each, $5 each. These are all 10s. Is this a different 10? I don't know. It seems like it's got a different finish because it's got all this yellow. I don't know if it's some sort of dust or rust or something. 12s. These are the ones I showed you. Same thing. I'll give you these untouched just like this for $5 each. So you just got to pay the shipping, and then you can mod the fuck out of them. I'll keep maybe, I don't know, 20 of them, 30 of them. I don't think I'll do very many conversions for them. And I'd rather have you guys do that stuff. So these are 8s. I think these were purple. I got some purple ones around here. I don't know, but these already have the top plate on them. I'm just gonna scrap these. So those aren't even worth your time as far as an 8 goes. Somebody was saying, what is it? Yeah, these are all $15 each shipped. So these are really, really nice powder coat. Get out of here, bug. These are more of the 12s. I think that's a cat. What the fuck? Cat, get the fuck out of here. I think those were the only 8s. I didn't have black 10s. Some of these that are used like this, I'll do for $5 each. That's fine. But typically that's a premium frame. Stamped. Oh, there's the purple one. Sorry. This one. If you do want some of these, let me know. They're $1 each. So Lightning Audio used this frame. The purple I think was used by when they were making for Urban Audio Works. So these are nice too, these chrome ones. Of course, the chrome got a little rust on them. We were going to do a lot of these. $1 each. Just give you guys a little more look. Ones that have magnets on them. We can do these for, we'll do 10 each plus shipping. So some of them are just glued on there. Some of them are bolted on there. It's your deal. And then if I can supply you with coils, great. If you get them from lower to base or order direct from China, good job. I just need to clear this area. I don't want it to be a liability for me with the city. And all these top plates gone, scrap. See what else? Oh, these are 8s. Yeah, 5 for these. These are more for like a mid bass or a mid range. With a small spider. See? Oopsie. I'll have to pay for that. So this is, of course, more for a woofer. Mid-range. Still $5 each, plus shipping. Of course, the more you buy, the cheaper the shipping gets. And if you want to do like a pallet or something like that, that's fine. I'd rather do a pallet, especially for heavier stuff like this with a magnet. That way I can just wrap it and ship the whole goddamn thing to you. So I'll do a little more walk around for you guys. You can see them. Some of these with the smaller magnets, maybe we'll do a better deal, like maybe $5, but some of them are shifted. Like I think this one's shifted. Yeah, this one just even rusted off. So, plus they need to be magnetized, which you got to have a magnetizer. So, and right now I don't even have a magnetizer. Somebody asked about the premium sub square. Yeah, I'll sell these square frames. Like $20 each plus shipping. I was just gonna get them, recycle them for the aluminum, but if you want to buy them, that's fine. Audiobond Immortal, a lot of Rockford frames. On the Rockford frames, we're doing the inner plus the outer for $40 shipped, Conus. A lot of JL frames, not Jizzlama. See, I don't even know what JL stands for. A lot of 13W7 frames. 13W7 frame is 45 shipped. That's a, I don't know what that is. It's probably a 12W6. It will do cheaper. It depends on if you get terminals and stuff like that too. So a lot of Rockford stuff right there. These T-yokes I'm keeping because we actually turn those into top plates and bottom plates. So depending on how we mill them. That should give you a better explanation of stuff. Some of these, it's not a bad frame. It's just that it needs to be drilled out for a pattern that you can use. That's the only bad thing. This is actually a really good frame. You just got to drill it out for the 5-inch hole pattern, and then you can bolt it onto anything. It's got a really big spider landing. So, just basically, if you want to get my attention, for people that want specifics for each one, I'm like, no, I don't have time for that shit. Yeah, and I don't even, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even think I have time for the fucking video on each one and the model number, all that stuff. If you just see something in the video, just make an offer and just go, okay, I want, blah, 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 of this many, like 100 of these. And I go, okay, that's fine. Send me $100. So I don't start working until you send the money, because otherwise I don't have time for sending pictures back and forth. Now, if you want to order a sample kit, that's what I recommend. Order a sample kit of like, say, 2 of each, something like that. Again, send me $100. We'll eat it up and then figure out what the shipping's going to be. And then now you know what it's going to be for, X amount of frames. So, and the steel ones add up really quick. So I really recommend you order by the pallet. So, and then pallet service, I'll use my contacts. I use Unishippers. They usually have pretty good rates, but there are many other, what do they call it? Freight forwarders that their only business is to keep the trucks full. And so if they make $20 on a deal, they're happy. So sometimes they'll give you a really good rate, but I'll put you in touch with a bunch of freight forwarders if I can't get a good rate or whatever, see if you can. So also another note for shipping pallets is that if you can ship to a commercial address, that's better, that's cheaper. And a lot of times if you can ship to the hub, so like say R&L or Dominion or whoever, they have a hub usually outside of your town because it's cheaper, and they don't really, their trucks, they can move anything they want. So they'll locate outside of town in a hub, but if you take your pickup and go pick up from there, they can just use a forklift and stick it right in the back of your truck. So that's probably what I do, and that probably saves you a lot of money. Sometimes they can charge up to $100 to come out to residential, and then they fuck with you. Like if you show up and then some of their trucks, they don't even get into the residential area because it's too hard for them to get into. So then they say, oh, we tried to get in there and you weren't home. And so then they want to charge you a redelivery fee of anywhere from $90 to $150. And it's a bullshit fee. So that's why it's better just to pick up from the hub. So these little guys, fuck, those are nice turbinals. Yeah, 10 each on these plus shipping. So, and these are all 12s. And then later we can supply you with the cones when I have a better, we finally divided, I don't know if you can see it way over there. Let me zoom in. on the back porch, those are all 10s and 12s. We finally got them divided. And then we got the 15, what is it called? The double bay garage. Let me see. Anything else? We do have gaskets, but they need cleaning. So nothing wrong with them, just need cleaning. You can also do, for this, especially for the stamped ones, we can do foam gaskets that glue on top. We have a bunch of those. We'll do them really cheap, spiders galore, all that kind of shit. So again, though, I want to move these first. So try to move these first, guys. And again, cash out me, Robot Underground, $sign Robot Underground, or my phone number 602-312-6504. If you see something specific that you like in the videos, then just, you know, tell me. You know, like, hey, I'm interested in this, hey, I'm interested in that. I don't have any TI frames. Nobody does, okay? What I have is a lot of this other shit that is not as premium, right? That's why it's called a premium. See, now these frames, I got premium frames. These are all premium frames. And they're powder coated and they're all pretty. Those are regular prices. Typically, I'm still cheaper than Lord of Base. I just don't advertise. So, because George does not like competition. So, and then, you know, I have all this other stuff in here that's, you know, again, what they call premium stuff. I have lots of stuff. So it's not going to, this is not going to be $5. Okay. Not going to be $5. So just a heads up. Will, ended up buying a bunch of these. We ended up doing a deal. I think a while back I had posted to you guys a $1,500 deal on 40 cheap subwoofers. What we did instead is we did 20 of these more premium subwoofers that are actually better than like P3s. So if there's anything left over from his deal, then you can open up to that. Again, that's the cheapest way to do it, is actually buy unassembled from me. I think we do for, I want to say 100 shipped for one. And then you put it together and it's worth $250. You know, it's a good deal for you. So I don't know if you want to do that, but I'm really, really busy, and I'm more than I look at all my fucking workload. Oh, I got this in. 300 shipped on this one, or 250 local. It's a T2 I built a while back for Gary in Tucson. And we ended up, he didn't really like the cone. I didn't really ask him. He just said recon it, and this is what I chose. We ended up going with a different cone and a different cap, and he got 3 of them made. And he brought this one back as a trade. And so it's single 2 ohm. So it's really good if you want to match it up to like a BD 1500 or even a BD 1000. What else do I want to show you? Oh, yeah, and Gary gave me this. This was very nice. So the table that I use in there is really, Bob used it for working on engines. And so it's a really heavy duty. It's got like tons of 2x4s all up on angle, and then it has a steel top, so it's super tough, but it's super cold in the winter, and so my wrist kind of freezes and gets weird when I'm working. But or jacking off, whatever. Oh, that was the other one I wanted to show you. So these are Robot. These are mine. Not really. I just bought them generic. So, but I got a ton of these. We're doing these. This is the LC one, as you can see. For you guys that do custom bass knobs, we can do these 7 pieces for 50 shipped, or 15 pieces for 100 shipped. So, and that should be cheaper than Recoil, which I think sells them on the store and on Amazon for $10 each shipped. So cheaper than the other guy. Oh, where is it? Where is it? I have a box of them. I got a ton of these. Larry's got a ton of these too. If you guys, like I said, if you see anything you like, fucking make an offer. Because a lot of times I don't have time to advertise a lot of this stuff. Where are they? Thought I brought them in. Oh, got these in yesterday. These big 100 amp, 110 amp hour Mighty Max batteries. They're testing good. So I got this one. I got this thing on trade. This thing's fucking great. It's for like a bass boat, for like a triller. If you have like 4 trailer motors, the only thing is one channel's dead. So, but other than that, I've used it a lot and it works fucking great. So I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. They're all testing good. We can do those for like $100 each if you're local, not shipping a fucking battery. Damn it, I forgot to bring them back here. So what they are, here they are. Okay, so these are it. So this is the FT410. So Edge is the parent company to Recoil. And so Recoil sells these, and these are great for when you need to tap into the fuse box. And so it's basically add a line out of the fuse box. Now, one of the things that, I don't want to say I was annoyed about, but just one of the things I didn't realize was that there are 3 sizes. There's a mini, and then there's, there's micro, mini, and then there's regular ATC. And Larry just started selling mixed packs where you get like 5 of each. But really, you should have a 10-pack of each one, of each size. And they come with a bunch of extra fuses and things like that. And they're very, very handy for working on all kinds of vehicles that have, that use those types of fuses. So let's see, was there something else? I think there was something else I wanted to promote. I don't remember right now, so, but I'll make another video. But that's it. I love you guys. Keep it going. I don't know. Jizz away. May Gonzo bless you and your creamy ropes, making lots of babies.